DMM Nomad and Nomad Plus. The friction hitch lanyard system is built for precise movement, effortless repositioning, and serious work positioning performance. The Nomad and Nomad Plus are available in 2 rope diameters, 7 lengths, and bright, high visibility colors. These lanyards provide the tree climber with a fully CE certified system designed to work flawlessly with DMM hardware, with bespoke rope and hitch cordage for smooth movement, dependable adjustability, and rock-solid performance in demanding environments. The Nomad includes a DMM triple attachment pulley 2, a DMM Ultra O carabiner, and a Fidus 8.5mm eye-to-eye friction cord. The Nomad Plus includes these items plus a DMM director yoke connector and a Fidus 6.5mm thimble loop. Every part is tuned for safety, efficiency, and durability. The DMM Nomad and Nomad Plus adapt to your workflow and countless configurations. The Nomad and Nomad Plus by DMM. It's yours today at Arbsession.com.